Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how you can log in easily in Bank of New Zealand. Go to Google, search for Bank of New Zealand. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. To log in, all you have to do, click login option, and then you will redirect it to login page. Choose a personal or business. Choose personal here, and then you will redirect it to login page. As you can see here, from this page, all you have to do, write your access number and password to access login. Just write your password and then choose your access number. After that, click on login. So if you want to log in with your app, download this app, Bank of New Zealand app. This is app, download on App Store. Download this app. When you download, log in with your own information here. So basically this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.